the 2017 Lincoln MKZ. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has fewer than 60,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2-liter four-cylinder engine. The engine breathes better thanks to a turbocharger, improving both performance and economy. Lincoln infused the interior with top-shelf amenities, such as one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, speed-sensitive wipers, heated seats, and seat memory. Everything is where it ought to be, from the dashboard controls to the door locks and window controls. Premium sound drives 11 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Lincoln ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.